Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting for all the content creators, podcasters, and video enthusiasts out there. We are going to dive into one of the Filmora's powerful new features, the AI Audio Denoiser. If you've ever struggled with the background noise ruin your recordings, this tool might just be your next best friend. Let's get right into it. Okay, so what exactly is the AI Audio Denoiser? It's a feature in Filmora 14 that uses advanced AI technology to remove unwanted background noise from your audio. Imagine recording a video outside and having the wind ruin your audio, for example, or maybe you are in a room with a bit of echo in it. Okay, the AI audio denoiser can help you with that more. Okay, to remove that in no time. Okay, so with just a few clicks, you can improve your audio quality and make it sound more professional. The tool has specific settings for different type of noises, including wind, hissing, and reverb. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so here I have a video clip, okay, and let's clean it up using Filmora AI Audio Denoiser. Okay, so as you can see, I've opened in the Filmora, and then I imported my audio clip over here. Okay, it's just this audio with the video. Okay, so now I will head over to the audio tab and select AI Audio Denoiser. Okay, there we go. Okay, I love how straightforward it is. Okay, there are different options for different type of noises like wind removal, okay, like reverb, removal, and haze removal. Okay, I can toggle those on or off depending on what type of cleanup I need to actually do here. Okay, so let's say that just need to do normal denoise. Okay, I can go all the way to 100. Okay, usually I'm living just about in the middle. Okay, because the more I get that, you will hear it will be cleaned up much more. But you can also hear a bit of this the background noise being removed by the AI, just so I think that's middle is absolutely fine. Okay, I never go all the way to the top. I think that's the sweet spot, at least for me, is the 50%. Okay, the same here, like the reverb. Okay, that's also, you can go ahead and you can toggle up and down. Okay, it's up to yourself, guys. It depends what type of noise you have you are dealing with. Okay, so I think these options are really quite cool. Okay, for example, let's say that you recorded something outside and you got a removal. Okay, so the AI will automatically remove the any sound of wind in your video. Okay, so you won't hear that a thing, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, just like that, the background noise is gone. You just have to do a couple of those settings here, and that's it. Okay, and the best part, it's all automatically using AI, so I didn't have to mess around with complicated settings. Okay, it's simple. Okay, now that you've seen it in action, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro, in my opinion, is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be an audio engineer to get studio quality sound. Plus, the flexibility to target specific types of noise is a huge bonus. As for cons, sometimes it can be a bit too aggressive if you are dealing with subtle background noises. So you might need to play around with the settings a bit to get it just right. Okay, remember it's mentioned here. Okay. But overall, I think it does an impressive job, especially for quick edits. So that's my review of Filmora's AI Audio Denoiser. Okay, guys, if you are looking for a simple, effective way to clean up audio, this tool is definitely worth trying out. You can download the Filmora 14 for free and give it a spin yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews. See you next time. Thank you.